Thank you. There are two elders here, Betty and Bob. Where are you? Come on.
We're sitting elders right now.
Come on. Bob and myself are on the session right now. But Betty, Frank, they are both elders. They have been on the session. So we thank you. I wish I had a camera, what do you call that, the television to show you the message my pastor said. He wanted to be here. I think I need to speak in pidgin. I can't stand this English business. Go ahead. My pastor, if the one comes, but because of medical problem, the doctors have stopped him from coming. I mean, he don't get passport and everything. We don't make book for him all. They say no, he comes. So he regret very much. He sent message. If we're not there here tomorrow for church, we intend for playing the video for a message for church. But I want to thank Una plenty for this, for the fact that Una really think about us, for receive us. All these children are children for people for church. With they trust Una enough, say they will send their picking, they may come share service with me. Does anyone want to say anything? Well, go ahead.
I want to personally thank all of you for the group also, for the kindness, the generosity, the happiness that you've given us while we're here. You are truly our friends. Thank you.